Right now, beginners are creating digital products using AI and making money online even with no experience. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they are doing it and how you can do it too. Hey guys, I am Shanique and I help women grow in their faith and build online businesses that helps them to create freedom using the power of AI and digital products. So if you've been wanting to start an online business but you don't know where to start, well, this video is for you. In 2026, the game has completely changed. Right now, you don't need any inventory, you don't need a huge audience, and you absolutely don't need to be an expert. With the power of AI, it is much easier and even faster to create your own digital products. And what are digital products, you might ask? What are these? So, these are simple, intangible materials that you can sell online. Some of these are examples that I'm giving you are ebooks, courses, membership, subscription. Those are digital products. Those are intangible. So it means that you don't have nothing to pack, you don't have nothing to ship. All you need to do is to package your knowledge or expertise, turn it into a product, and you can sell it online. And also with digital products, you can sell these from anywhere in the world. You literally create these once and you sell them over and over and over again. And that is how you are able to make money while you sleep. So I'm going to break down 3 ways how beginners are doing this, how beginners are creating their own digital products and selling them online. I'm going to break it down for you. The number one way how beginners are doing this is by creating simple guides. Simple guides, some of these are, for example, budgeting guides, skincare guides, fitness guides. So these are literally something that you can use Canva to create them once and then sell them as your own digital products. So for instance, if you were a fitness coach or you knew how to cook, then you can turn those skills that you currently have into simple step-by-step guides. Because remember, people always want to find ways in how to feel better, how to, get more healthier. So a fitness guide would be great. And also, a cooking guide. If you know how to make a specific type of chicken that other people struggle with making, or if it's just a new idea that you wanted to create, you can also turn this into a guide. Or if you currently are a content creator and you already are in fitness, beauty, health, whatever niche, whatever industry you're in right now, you can literally create a digital product around anything that you're currently doing. Number two on this list, these are simple templates. So some examples of templates are social media templates and also business planners. So if you notice on social media, you will see sometimes you have business pages that they have social media managers. So what the social media manager does, they create content for the business. And what the social media manager normally do is to create templates that can act as post or content on the business's social media. So these get traction, these get views, and then if people are interested and customers are interested in these posts, then that gives the business more customers. And with the other example, for the template, we have the business planners. So business planners are, whatever business that you think about. If you have an idea to create, to start a business, then you want to make sure that you have a plan. How are we we gonna do this? Where are we gonna get products? How are we gonna, all the ideas that you have together. A business planner is a done for you product already. So this is basically a template that it has everything. So while you're planning your business, this acts as a guide where you can just fill in the spots. These are done for you stuff. So you just want to fill in the spots and add the things that you need to be added. So what people are doing, they create these planners for you, which is already done, and then you use your information as to fill that in, and that helps you to save time. Remember, I don't want you to overcomplicate digital products. Digital products are guides or tools, simple things that help people to save time and money. So if you can save people time, or you can save them money, or even make them money, then they will pay for that. And also, what I wanted to get in on with you is that digital products are simple things that solves problem. If you have a solution to a problem that someone has, then you can create a digital product to solve that problem. Any business that you see today operating, all the businesses are doing is that they're solving people's problem. That's it. That's the key. That's the key to most things in life as well. If you're able to solve a problem for somebody, if you're able to save somebody time, if you're able to save them money, if you're able to make them look beautiful, if you're able to get them in shape, these are the things that people pay for. People don't buy product. They buy solutions to their problems. Number 3 on my list are AI assisted products. So these are products that you use AI to generate the ideas, the outline, and even the content. Please, I'm begging you, don't sleep on AI. AI is literally helping people to create their digital products in days. So, digital products that used to take people months to create, a simple guide or an ebook or even a course, AI is able to create these products for you in days or weeks. So you're going to use the AI to assist you with creating these products. So let me break it all down for you into a simple process. Step 1, you want to choose a problem that you can solve. Step 2, you want to create a simple solution for this problem. And then step 3, you're going to use AI to assist you in creating this digital product. So an example of a problem that someone may have is that they might say, I don't know how to budget. Like if people want to know how to budget their money and all of that, that could be a problem. And your solution would be a budget planner that helps them with that. It's that simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it. I don't want you to overcomplicate it. I don't want you to overthink this. It's very easy and it's something that can be done. So as I said, you want to choose a problem, pick a problem, something that you know how, you've helped somebody overcome something in your past. You're able to get over a relationship or something in your life that other people struggle with. People struggle with so many things, and if it is that you've overcame something in your life, that can be a problem that you are able to provide a solution for someone with. Step 2, you create a simple solution for this problem. This simple solution, it's going to be a simple ebook, a simple guide, or a simple mini course. Then you're going to use the power of AI. Don't overthink this. ChatGPT is readily available to all who wants to learn how to use it. We are living in a digital age. And I don't want you to think that these things are hard to do. If you want to learn how to do something, it's so much easier than before. I used to remember when I went to school, we didn't have information easily accessible right at our fingertips. Sometimes I would have to go to the library to do my research. We'll have to go to the library and get books and go through the books, and then we write our essays based on what we read out of the book. But in 2026, everything is readily available. You can use your phone and do research that would have taken people years or even months to do. You can do those things in minutes with the power of the internet and AI. So don't overthink, just find a problem. If you're able to provide the solution, use AI to help you and just get started. And this is why most people stay stuck right here. As I was mentioning before, sometimes we overthink it. We wait to be perfect, and also we don't know what steps to take. So, I'm here to help you with that. So, I'm hosting an absolutely free live training on April 2nd, which is a Thursday at 7 p.m., where I'm going to break down everything for you from start to finish on how to create your own digital products and start to sell it online, from the ideas in your head to the product in your hands. I'm going to help you with that. So what I want you to do is click the link down in the description box below, sign up for the training, and I'll see you inside. And if this video helped you, then I want you to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.